What's up guys, I'm Leo Matis and today we're looking at Moza's new motion platform, the HMA150. A quick disclosure, Moza sent this unit over for early testing, however everything you're about to hear is my own take and they don't have to approve or see this video before it goes live, so they will see it exactly when you will see it. This one covers three things: installation, walking through the software, and the first drive. So I'll try it in Assetto Corsa and Assetto Corsa Rallye, so I have a bit more variety of how it feels. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. The box was quite heavy, but it was only one and quite small actually. You see here the 4 actuators, and here we have the power supply, which is fairly small compared to anything else in the market, but I'll take that. This is the hub that connects the actuators with the PC. It comes with an emergency button, and here we have all the nuts and bolts that we will need. And these are the instructions which I will probably use for the first time ever. The actuators are quite light and I thought that would be way much heavy, but I could easily handle them with one hand. I actually forgot the mounts of the actuators inside the box. And they also include some anti-slip pads for the actuators. And make sure to use one of these if you want to be fast. We start by installing the mounts into the actuators. It was fairly easy, just make sure all mounts are on the same level. This is a very sophisticated jack I used to lift my rig, but it wasn't tall enough, so I used another one. And now all you have to do is just add the nuts and install the actuators. Plug all the connection and power cables and you are all set. And last but not least, we have to add the exact length and width between the actuators into the software. Alright, so we'll first try the settings that Moza has, the stock settings, and see how it feels, if it's good, if it's too much, and then we will adjust and see what we can do better. I'm driving a 911 GT3-R of 2016 in Assetto Corsa. At first I want to check exactly what I can feel. I feel I don't have at all any roll or pitch, which is weird, because when I tried it yesterday, I did. So I tried it yesterday on my first drive and the thing would roll everywhere, left to right and front as well as I accelerate or steer. Now it won't do any of this. Alright, so I think I had a bug or something with the software. I couldn't feel any roll or pitch, anything, only when I would go on the grass. And I restarted the PC now and it feels that it actually works. I'll try again and see how it goes. Oh yeah, oh yeah, okay, now it moves. I accelerate, left, right. Alright, so now it's alive again. My first reaction is that even on default, it moves way too much. Like, I feel that I'm on a roller coaster instead of a car. I don't know how it would be with a VR, but with a monitor I think it's way too much for being faster or even able to drive. As you can see, the high performance, actually, I don't know if, oh yeah, you can see, it goes way too much. Look how much it moves. You can see on the seat as well. Oh, that's crazy. You can't really see me well, but you can see the ring, which is more important. Okay, let's see how much it moves. Whoa. Honestly, I can't even really see the road like this. It moves way too much. Okay, I won't even try to drive. I will just go to soft and see how it feels. As you can see, it disables the road detail, the traction control, engine vibration, gear shift, ABS and wheel slip. Basically, I think all the effects. These are the effects and these are the actuators moving. Yeah, it moves way less. and I can drive a bit easier like this. I still feel that it moves quite a lot. Maybe it's because of the screen moving as well, but I have tried motion with the screen without moving, and I felt quite the same motion on my eyes. Alright, so far I like the soft way more. It's way less and I can still understand the car fully, so they have one more option. As you can see, the stroke overall is at 40% on the soft. On this one here, it's only at 20. We'll try this option right here and see how it feels. Yeah. Even this, I still feel that it moves quite a lot, so I'll try to adjust a few settings and maybe do a proper lap, because so far it's been all over the place. I'm not really good at rally, but I'll try it anyway and see how it feels, since it should have way more bumps and rolls and, you know, a bit more everywhere.
3 left, tightens. 3 left, 40, right. 3 left, don't cut. 5 left. 5 long, 150. Caution, brake, chicane right, arrows.
Actually, I think I enjoy this way more than GT3 with emotion. I don't know why, but whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Okay, so I said that I'm enjoying it. I didn't say that I'm good at it. I can feel way more better the weight transfer on a road car for some reason. Maybe because I haven't really driven a GT3 car, so I don't know how exactly it feels. And how the gear change as well is really nice. So I didn't mind the stock settings as much as I did in the GT3. I felt on GT3, as I said, that it was a bit way too much over the place, since it's rally and it has longer suspension, so I don't really mind it. But let's try now the high performance, which should be overkill, but we'll try it. Yeah. I mean, it's fun. It's not faster, but it's fun. With the high performance, I definitely need a belt, because I move, as you can see, I move way over the place. What the? Yeah, this one is way too much. This is, I don't know who drives like this, but I think you are able to tell also on my voice that the motion moves way too much. Whenever I wanna have someone around here and have a go on the sim with the motion, I will always add the high performance, since it exaggerates everything. It's not realistic, but it's more fun. Yeah, if you want to really drive fast, avoid this option. but if you really want to have fun, it's a good one. Okay, let's wrap it up. Despite personally finding the stock settings too strong, I found the responsiveness accurate. I could feel the elevation changes, the texture of the road surface, and the exact moment the car was about to oversteer, which I think genuinely helps you catch it and save the moment when you're on the edge. Despite personally finding the stock settings too strong, I found the responsiveness accurate. I could feel the elevation changes, the texture of the road surface, and the exact moment the car was about to oversteer, which I think genuinely helps you catch it and save the moment when you're on the edge. I'd like to spend more time with it to dial in a setup that works with me instead of against me, which is how it currently feels. The stock intensity was strong enough that I couldn't fully concentrate on the road because of how much motion was coming through. At some point, I want to set up mine up the way Stillian from Race Beyond Matter does it on his channel. He has the monitors and wheelbase mounted on a stationary frame with only the seat and pedals connected to the motion platform. And from what he has said, he uses minimal force applied to the motion system itself. At this price point, I think Moza has done a really good job, since it brings motion into reach for a lot more consumers and benefit us. And that was my first impressions with the Moza motion system. It's been on my rig for a few days only, so I haven't properly tried it, but I plan to add more hours into it and make a proper in-depth review. If you plan to order one and you want to support this channel as well, I have a link in the description. Drop any comments below with any questions you have, and I'll see you on the next lap.